In this guide, I'm going to show you how to create a custom display resolution on your Windows using the NVIDIA control panel. So first, right-click on an empty area on your desktop, then click on Show More Options, or you can go ahead and select NVIDIA control panel and open it. Now, once the NVIDIA control panel opens, navigate to the display on the left side. From the drop-down menu, select Change Resolution. At the top of the panel, select the monitor you wish to configure. Scroll down and select the Customize button. Now enter your desired horizontal and vertical pixel values and your preferred refresh rate. Then click on the Test button at the bottom. And if your monitor successfully supports the new display mode, a confirmation prompt will appear. Click on Yes to save your new configuration, and your custom resolution will now be available in your standard display options. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.